Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're taking a deeper look at what the latest construction progress at Spotify Camp Nou really means for the next phase of this historic rebuild. Because the changes we're seeing now signal a major shift in how the project will move forward from here. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds so you don't miss any of our daily Camp Nou updates. Let's get started. One of the most important developments is the continued installation of compression ring pillars. These elements are a clear indicator that the stadium is transitioning from pure structural growth into full roof preparation mode. The compression ring is the backbone of the future roof system, and every new pillar installed helps define the final shape and height of the stadium. At the same time, the rapid spread of ceramic louvers and façade supports tells us that the stadium envelope is now a top priority. Closing the façade is not just about appearance, it has a direct impact on construction speed. As more exterior sections are completed, interior spaces become protected from wind and rain, allowing crews to work more consistently and safely. This transition usually marks the moment when multiple interior trades can begin operating in parallel, accelerating overall progress. From here on, progress will be less about massive concrete pours and more about precise assembly and finishing. If you are enjoying so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. Goal North is another key indicator of what's coming next. The first visible facade-related connections appearing in this area confirm that construction is no longer concentrated on just one or two zones. Instead, the entire stadium is now active. When exterior works expand evenly around all sides, it allows teams to operate simultaneously rather than sequentially, which typically leads to noticeable increases in weekly progress. Work on parking ramps and internal circulation areas is another strong signal of what lies ahead. These elements are closely tied to future stadium operations, not just construction logistics. Today's updates show that Spotify Camp Nou is moving into a coordinated phase where facade closure, roof preparation, and interior finishing begin to overlap. This is often the most visually transformative period of a stadium rebuild, where progress accelerates, and the final identity of the venue starts to fully emerge. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to MegaVerse Builds, and check out the channel for daily Camp Nou updates and in-depth construction analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.